Hello everyone, back to Twinkle 3J. Today we are going to make a very special Tamil dish which is called sweet pongal or chakra pongal in Tamil.
Go.
It contains lot of nutrients and the ingredients are rice, split moong dal and jaggery. These are the main three ingredients. So let's talk about moong dal. Moong dal is good for weight loss and good for heart health also. It's rich in nutrients like potassium, magnesium, iron, copper, and it's rich in fiber, vitamin B6 also. It contains high quality protein. Those are vegetarian. This is a good source of protein for them. It's good for blood circulation. There are many benefits. I've just mentioned few of it. Let's see the benefits of jaggery. I've broken the jaggery, big one, into small pieces. This is very good for health. We should avoid white sugar and use jaggery. In olden days, they never used sugar. In fact, they never knew what is sugar. They've used only jaggery in their food. It's rich in taste and rich in nutrients also. Let's see what are the benefits of them. It prevents constipation. Everybody must have had constipation in their life. But if you take jaggery with your food, it clears your tummy. It's good for digestion. So you have to take jaggery with your food. And it also detoxifies the liver. Whenever you have liver problem, you must have heard people saying drink sugarcane juice. This is only because of the benefits of it. This jaggery is made of sugarcane juice, so obviously it will detoxify your liver. And it is a very good source of blood purifier. If you want to have a clear skin, you should surely take jaggery in a daily basis. Obviously, it is a best source to boost your immunity. If you avoid sugar and use this regularly, you could, in a long run, you can see the immunity is boosted up, and it prevents anemia because it's a very good source, rich in iron. So you will make anemia run away from your system, and it cools your system. It cools your tummy. Obviously, I said it is good for constipation. It also cools your tummy. So these three things are a best combination to have as a morning breakfast or evening snacks. Or this is a half a cup. So I am adding 4 cups of rice. I have taken raw rice. Traditionally, we use raw rice to the recipe. You can even add boiled rice or steamed rice to it. I am adding 4 cups of rice. It's 1:2. So 4 cups of rice and 2 cups of moong dal. So I am adding moong dal. I have already soaked moong dal. 2 cups of moong dal. So I am adding moong dal to it. You have to rinse it well and then add. Since I have added 6 cups, 4 cups of rice and 2 cups of moong dal, we have to add 12 cups of water and add little salt and give 5 to 6 whistles so that you will get it should be cooked well. It should not be half cooked, or it should not be cooked. It should be slightly overcooked so that we can smash. So this chakra pongal or the sweet pongals is special. So speciality is it's a little smashed rice. I've added 12 cups of water to it, little salt to it. I'm going to give 6 whistles for it. Once it's cooked, let's complete adding 4 cups of jaggery to it because I've added 4 cups of rice. So this is to melt the jaggery and to remove the
இதெல்லாம் தெரியக்கூடாது.
I've added jaggery to the tawa kadai and added some water. Let it melt. Need not bring any string to it. There's no stage or there's no consistency required. It should melt. Then we can pour it into the filter and remove the dirt and keep it ready. I'm going to add grated coconut to the recipe. I'm adding 4 elaichi also to it. Once I'll grind and add the mixture to the pongal and see how the rice is cooked. See, it's very beautifully cooked. This is the texture I wanted. Now we will add jaggery to it. I want to clear once. I've added 4 cups of rice. You can take any cups as you wish. 4 cups of rice for 2 cups of dal, moong dal. And I've added 4 cups of jaggery. So I'm going to mix it so that it will be smashed little. And I've added little salt to it. Now let's add jaggery. I'm adding the jaggery to it. Now I am adding freshly grated coconut with elaichi to it. This will give a special taste of coconut. Since I like coconut and I like the benefits of coconut, I like to add in my recipes. And this is a virgin coconut oil. I'm adding 4 teaspoons to it. Since it's a lockdown and it is a Sunday, I have thought of making a sweet pongal. I have not got cashew nuts and kismis. If you have cashew nuts and kismis, you can fry it in coconut oil or in ghee. That will give a nice taste. So I am mixing everything together. You can see this is how the chakra pongal or sweet pongal. It's a very nice dish.
How my mom made this, because I love this dish and this is my favorite dish. We make it often in our home. So let's taste it. I can taste the grated coconut, I can taste the elaichi, I can taste the coconut oil, I can taste the rice, I can taste the jaggery, and I can taste the moong dal too. It's really yummy and it's really easy recipe to make, and you can all try it, you can all make it by yourself, and please comment us after trying it. Don't forget to comment and like, share and subscribe. Bye. Meet you in the next video.